They are completely different to anything that I have ever done before, and they definitely made the experience enjoyable and not just a classroom environment.
So my name's Darren Jones. I'm currently the UK Learning Development Manager for AESSEAL. From AESSEAL then, its core product is the mechanical seal. However, it's so much more than that. Really, we are an engineering manufacturing company that produces products for a sustainable future. I think the experience of Whyy Change has been absolutely brilliant. They have been outstanding from start to finish. The key difference with Whyy Change is we've been able to go to them and say, this is what we need in a manufacturing and engineering setting, and this is how you need to cater or adapt your training to what we need in business, and it matches the need of the employees. Nothing's ever too much trouble for Whyy Change. So they, along with the delivery during all the learning and training experiences, the additional aftercare is everything that stands out. The partnership we formed with Whyy Change has been inspirational. From a learning and development perspective then, really, the main effort we've been doing then is first line leadership and management training, really pitched at those in team leader roles or management roles that have never received any training before, whereby they could be very good at, have a very good trade setting in one sense, but then looking after people, they don't have anything in their toolbox in that area there. So there was a bit of a gap there. So we've been using leadership and management to train existing team leaders that had no leadership and management training. The initial feedback would suggest that the training you've carried out is giving people in this industry, more tools in their leadership and management toolbox to do their job more effectively. Absolutely, I would wholeheartedly recommend Whyy Change. Everything I've seen with Whyy Change has been positive. From start to finish, cradle to grave, the learning experience is extremely good. Not only that, there's the additional support after training has been conducted for learners to tap back into to be the better version of themselves. Why wouldn't you consider Whyy Change?
I've definitely learned how to manage with different people, kind of learning different learning skills, the way that different people learn, as well as time management, learning how to deal with my time management, as well as my employees, learning how to manage their time so that we all reach the overall goals that we've got within our department. With our mentor Claire, we had a lot of open discussions. She let us lead the sessions in some ways, so we was able to talk about our own experiences, what we knew within that sector that we was learning about. So it wasn't just that we were sat listening to one person, we was able to bounce off each other, and that made it quite different to any training that I have done before. The fact that it wasn't just a pen and paper in a classroom and one person speaking, so that was quite a highlight of my experience. I definitely think from the training that I've had with Whyy Change, it's only going to help with my progression in the business and with AESSEAL. I would say they are unique, they're definitely effective and completely unbeatable.
Everything that I've learned, I've been able to bring into this job, no matter what department, it's all transferable, truly valuable, everything that I have. Yes, I would absolutely recommend Whyy Change. I think you're a great business, you're always there to support, everybody's always very positive, happy, and I think just in general, I've never met an apprenticeship provider who goes that step further and wants to support everybody. It seems consistent in the fact that it's not just one learner having a good experience, everyone is.
Whyy Change really gave me the confidence to approach that in a specific manner, using specific techniques and supporting and backing myself. Even in those difficult scenarios when you have to have those confrontational discussions with people for the better to improve them, Whyy Change definitely provided me with the confidence to engage in that type of work.
Why wouldn't you consider Whyy Change?